Hello engineers, welcome back to Engineering Design Simplified. If you want to learn more about how to analyze mechanisms using analytical method, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell button so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to calculate maximum and minimum transmission angles of a closed 4-bar linkage using analytical method. First, I will derive equations for maximum and minimum transmission angles using analytical method, and later I will solve a problem to demonstrate this method. In the previous video, I have discussed about open 4-bar linkage. In this video, I am going to discuss about crossed 4-bar linkage. So the transmission angle is defined as the acute angle between coupler link and output links. That is coupler link and output link, the acute angle here. So in this video, I am taking only crank rocker mechanism. In order for this mechanism to be a crank rocker mechanism, then L1, that is fixed link length, plus L2, that is crank length, is less than L3, that is coupler length, plus L4. So it should satisfy this equation so that it will be a crank rocker mechanism. So in a crank rocker mechanism, so there will be two extreme transmission angles will occur. One is minimum transmission angle, that is shown in figure here. Minimum transmission angle will occur when theta 2 is 0, that is this crank angle will become 0, and maximum transmission angle will occur when theta 2 is 180 degrees. In the coming slides, let us see how to derive equations for these two extreme transmission angles. To calculate minimum transmission angle, that is it will occur when theta 2 is 0. So in this case, we can get a triangle here BCD. So this length, this side of the length is L1 minus L2, this is L3 and this is L4. So in this triangle, let us call this angle is theta 4. If this is theta 4, then this angle will be theta 4 minus 180 degrees, and this angle is theta 3, this is gamma. So let us apply cosine rule for this triangle BCD. So cosine rule to find gamma is written here, L1 minus L2 square equal to L3 square plus L4 square minus 2 L3 L4 cos gamma. So after simplification, we get gamma equal to cos inverse L3 square plus L4 square minus L1 minus L2 whole square by 2 L3 L4. So if gamma calculated from this equation is less than 90 degrees, then gamma is written as gamma minimum. At gamma equal to gamma minimum and theta 2 is 0, let us find other two angles, that is theta 4 and theta 3. So again, from this triangle BCD, let us write cosine rule to find this angle theta 4 minus 180. So L3 square equal to L1 minus L2 square plus L4 square minus 2L1 L2 2L1 minus L2 into L4 cos theta 4 minus 180. So after simplification, we get theta 4 equal to 180 degrees plus cos inverse L1 minus L2 square plus L4 square minus L3 square by 2L4 into L1 minus L2. So here we have found this angle theta 4 minus 180, that is theta 4 we found, and this angle is theta 4 minus 180. So in this triangle, total angle is 180 degrees. So theta 3 can be written as theta 3 equal to 180 minus gamma, this angle minus this angle, that is theta 4 minus 180. So theta 3 is 360 minus gamma minus theta 4. Now let us find gamma max, that is maximum transmission angle. Maximum transmission angle will occur when theta 2 is 180 degrees. Again, we form here a triangle BCD. So this side of the length is L1 plus L2, this is L3, and this side is L4. So this angle theta 3, this angle we call theta 4 minus 180 because this is theta 4, and this angle let us call gamma. So again, let us apply cosine rule for this triangle BCD to find gamma. So the cosine rule is L1 plus L2 whole square equal to L3 square plus L4 square minus 2 L3 L4 cos gamma. So after simplification, we get gamma equal to cos inverse L3 square plus L4 square minus L1 plus L2 whole square by 2 L3 L4. So using this equation, we can find gamma here. If gamma is greater than 90 degrees, then gamma max can be written as 180 minus gamma. If gamma is less than 90 degrees, then gamma max is equal to gamma. So after finding gamma, that is a transmission angle, maximum transmission angle here, gamma max, let us find theta 4. So this angle is theta 4, this angle is theta 4 minus 180. Again, let us apply cosine rule for this triangle BCD to find this angle. So cosine rule is here, L3 square equal to L4 square plus L1 plus L2 whole square minus 2 L1 plus L2 into L4 cos theta 4 minus 180. So after rearranging this, we get cos theta 4 minus 180 degrees equal to L4 square plus L1 plus L2 whole square minus L3 square by 2 L1 L2 into L4. So after further simplification, we get theta 4 equal to 180 degrees plus cos inverse L4 square plus L1 plus L2 whole square minus L3 square by 2 L4 into L1 plus L2. So using this equation, we can find theta 4. So from this triangle, the total, the sum of all the angles equal to 180 degrees. Using that fact, we can find theta 3. So theta 3 equal to 180 minus gamma minus theta 4 minus 180. So theta 3 equal to 360 degrees minus gamma minus theta 4. After having derived all the necessary equations, now let us solve a problem. So in this slide, we are going to find gamma minimum and theta 4 and theta 3 in this position. So here theta 2 is 0. We have taken this problem again. L1 is 80 millimeter, L2 is 20 millimeter, L3 66 millimeter, L4 56 millimeter. Now let us apply this formula L1 plus L2. So L1 plus L2 will be less than L3 plus L4. So that makes this mechanism crank rocker mechanism. So using this equation, gamma equal to cos inverse L3 square plus L4 square minus L1 minus L2 whole square by 2 L3 L4. We found gamma, that is less than 90 degrees, that is 58.23 degrees. So let us call this as gamma equal to gamma minimum, that is minimum transmission angle. So using this equation, we found theta 4. Theta 4 is 249.26 degrees, that is this angle. So this theta 3, using this equation, we found theta 3, that is 52.51 degrees. Now in this slide, let us find gamma max, theta 4 and theta 3. So gamma max will occur when theta 2 is 180 degrees. So again, we have taken this problem L1 80, L2 20, L3 66, L4 56. So using this equation, we found gamma. Gamma is 109.83, that is greater than 90 degrees. So gamma max can be written as 180 minus this gamma, that will become 70.17 degrees. This is the maximum transmission angle for this mechanism. So using this equation, we find theta 4. So theta 4 is 218.38 degrees, that is this angle. So using this equation, we find theta 3. So theta 3 is 31.79 degrees, that is this angle. That's all for today's video. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.